Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Data is Magic. So let's start. See how Mexico is leading in the production of avocado, and the second one is Brazil and Dominican Republic. Only the Indonesia is only the country from the Asia is just going to chase in the production of avocado. And please comment avocado is used in which of the cuisines dishes. CC USA on the second position. See how Dominican Republic decreased their production of avocado, and then they're just going on the top, but they can't do when the China came here for the production and just going up and up, and the USA is just maintaining their production, their positions. And how ahead Mexico is on the top of the graph. See how Indonesia chased USA, but the Dominican Republic is also chasing, going from the top to bottom, and the USA came in the race. You can see a clash between Indonesia and Dominican Republic, and they are chasing for the position second. These graphs are very much entertaining and very much showing the details how the productions occur in each year. So these are the stats, final stats up to 2019. See the history of avocado. Avocado was first found at Coscatlan Cave in the Valley of Puebla, Mexico. It was found between 5000 to 7000 BC in Mexico. Advantages, you can see here advantages of the avocado. It's important source of food. And the disadvantages of avocados you can see here. So these are the questions of the avocado, and if you know the answers of these questions, please comment below. You can find answers from our raised bar graph. And please subscribe to our channel Data is Magic for the latest updates on our channel.